We are here because we really believe that what Elaad is doing, promoting interoperability between different brands and integration between different products, is fundamental for the adoption of, let's say, net zero products, new energy products. Without open source, without open standards, you will get walled gardens, you will get companies trying to basically dominate customers and keep them in an ecosystem that's closed, and we don't believe that is right.
The importance of standards and interoperability is really, it cannot be, emphasized more. It is really important that devices can work together. So if you have a building, for instance, where you have all sorts of different devices that may be able to communicate, but they cannot really work together, then it becomes, so fragmented that the solution is just not feasible for the market. So that's why we really need standards to kind of glue all of this together. It's really great to see so many people coming together here and talking also about these different standards, because we often see two types of events. We see events that talk very, very high level about flexibility. So about the flexibility market, about how much money can be made with flexibility, or we have very specific standards-focused events. We are at the point where we have to bring it all together, right? So having all these folks here and really discussing this will be an important milestone going forward.
The importance of residential flexibility is to give consumers choice. Consumers want to be able to rely on the fact that whatever device they bring home, whatever appliance they buy, they interoperate and work together with everything else they already have in their home and which they may buy in the future. Open standards and interoperability give choice to consumers. You can pick the best and the brightest device that you would like. You're not locked into a single supplier or manufacturer, and you are ensured that once you bring your IoT device home, it will connect to all other devices you already have in your home. I think events that combine conferences and testing are really important for the market. Ultimately, at the end of the day, standards are based on paper, but they have to be implemented in compliant and interoperable products. So testing is really important. You want to make sure that a product that implements a standard specification actually works in the market and interoperates with other products already available in that market.
So you have a few HEMS manufacturers, developers, and you have a few developers of devices like heat pumps and wall boxes, and they test now with each other. And they test one or more specific protocols which we or the market has selected to be future-proof. So the importance of testing is that the home energy management system and the device behind this can talk to each other smoothly without interruptions, so that optimization and extraction of flexibility will go well tomorrow, but also in the future.
Residential flexibility is an important issue because of the increasing amount of the heat pumps and EV chargers. To have a grid stability, the residential flexibility is an important issue. Testing is very important to assure the interoperability between the different implementation, between the different devices, and this conference is very important to coordinate and collaborate between the used protocol for home energy management system. My main message is to work together and coordinate on the communication protocol to assure the interoperability between the different implementations.
So we brought some of our hardware with us, which is a hub which has all the protocols you need built in, all the wireless protocols, but it can also talk to devices on your local network. And with Matter, we're testing our hub with some firmware that we are also testing internally to see how these new devices behave on our platform and to see if there are still things that we need to adjust or fine-tune before we roll that out to the broader market.
Join us at the next Residential Flex event here at Elaad.